Hello, my name is Bartosz. I'm a creator of the Super Advanced Clipboard application that extends your standard Windows clipboard. It has lots of functionalities and can be really helpful to your daily job. Let's see how it works. When you uninstall this, if you want to open this application, you push. It is only for Windows software, and when you install it, when you run it, you need to open the main window. You need to push Ctrl, Shift, and V on the keyboard, and here it is. So on the right side, you can select the functionalities like standard copy paste. It will only copy and paste the standard text. Let's see if we can format code. Okay, from now on, if you copy something to the clipboard, it will check if this is code like JavaScript or HTML, and it will format it. Let me show you. I have prepared the HTML code here. I have selected it. Now I will copy it, wait, and paste. So, hold on, let's do this again, 1 second. Okay, maybe again. Oh yeah. I checked. I select format code. It should be not format code. Detect code language, because it's formatted already. Yeah, my mistake. Sorry. So this functionality is set now. It will format. It will detect the code you copied to the clipboard. Like it should answer as HTML. Yes, we have HTML. And yeah, for now on, I would like to invite you to try my application, and see you next time. Bye.